back to my YouTube channel. On this video, we'll be looking at the interface that we have inside Canva. The first video we did was basically how we can pick a template, edit it to our taste. So if you missed that video, kindly go to my YouTube channel and search for Introduction to Canva to get the video. At the same time, you can check the description on this video to easily get the link to the video straight. So now what I was talking about here is talking about the interface of Canva. Now if I click on the create here, I'm going to see a bunch of information here, a lot of sections that I can access. But now, what are they meant for? Why do I need to select any of these? What is the purpose? So that is what we are looking into today. For example, we have for you. For you, it's just a personalized recommendation section. You know, the moment you create an account, Canva asks you some few questions. With the answer you give, automatically they come up with some design that they think it fits your account, right? So that is for you. So you can see here for you, giving lots of templates that I think it goes for me. You can see templates for you. I can see all, and I can try to select this. Now we have another one here as education. Okay. Now, if you're looking to design, you come up with a design that has to do with education. You have things that you can select here. Are you talking about the school project? Are you talking about probably a kind of inspiration around education? You can easily pick some of these design. You can say I have to pay for this one if I can use it, but you can see the review here of solution evaluation, solution generation, problem identification. So that is education section, right? We have the sheet here. This sheet, like a spreadsheet designed to similar to Excel. It's already like ready-made design. If you don't want to use ready-made, definitely you can create your own, but it's more like an Excel. So you can easily just use Excel inside Canva. We have the one for docs, Canva's documentation, like Canva's document editor for writing and designing. You want to create an invoice for your clients, for a project. You want to talk about yourself. You want to have a CV of yourself. These are things that you can come down here to select and use or create your own. At the same time, we have the whiteboard. Whiteboards like personal recommendation in terms of educational stuff. We all know what whiteboard is. So basically, they give you design around it. We have presentations. You want to have a presentation, a slide-based content creator similar to PowerPoint. You want to go and you want to pitch a project. You want to present for your school. You can easily just pick any of these. Same time, create your own presentation. Social media. Yeah, you want to post on Instagram, you want to post on TikTok, you know, templates are there for you, sizes are there, at the same time you can easily just create your own. So all these basic things are just things that you can easily just, you already have what you want to do in your mind. Oh, my design is around social media. You can easily just come to social media to play around the templates that already fitting the social media post. So you don't have to think about the size of what you're creating, what am I creating for, stuff like that. So basically that is that. And same thing, Canva accept the videos are there, photo editors are there. So where we're going to end up this video is what we call the custom size. Now, all these you don't want them. Like, all I've been showing you things, you feel like you don't need them. You already have your own size that you want to work with. You can easily just come down here to put in the value of your width and your height. The unit, is it pixel? Is it inches? Millimeter? Is it centimeter? You can easily just put that here to create your size, right? And you can upload if you want to upload a file. If you click on more, simply just put out more things that you can create for events, photos and videos, marketing and promotion. Like lots of stuff here that you can select and use, right? So to wrap up this video, let's just create a custom size. I can decide to create a square size, the same size, right? So 1000 by 1000, and I want it to be a pixel, right? I can then create new design. So here is going to give me a plain design, like a scratch. So I have to start designing, right? At the same time, if I want to have multiple kind of page, I can click on add page. It's come up with page 2, right? If I, talking about carousel designs, I can do that. I can see I can now still have more options to switch to if I want to switch to it. Social media, that's okay with probably this time around. You can see my page 3 now is different from my page 1 and page 2. Now it has given me the portrait size for Instagram. So simple as that. And at the same time, I can hide it. I can, show it if I want to do that. So basically, that is that. I can delete, or probably even duplicate the page if I feel like. So this is a solve around that. In my next video, we'll be looking at some elements here, that's how it can be used, how you can use them in my next video. So if you love this video, find it helpful, click the subscribe button for more, and see you in my next video.